Good morning, team. I just want to say this. Success doesn't come from sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It comes from showing up, speaking up, and never settling for less than excellence.
So if you want to create amazing videos like this, then stay with me because I'm going to show you all the steps needed in order to achieve this same result. Now go to your Google Chrome and type Hedra. Now look at the spelling right here. Now you may need to sign up for an account with your Google account or your email, and then once you sign up, you'll be given 300 credits to work with. Now you can generate a video, you can generate an image. These two things can be done on this particular platform. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be generating an image and I'll also be generating a video. So let's start. Click on image and come down here and select your aspect ratio. You have so many of them. You have 16:9 and then you have 9:16. So I'll be going with this 16:9, and then I'll come down here and select my resolution. So you can select any one of your choice. I'll go with this 720p, and then here is this space for me to paste in my prompt and generate my image. So I will go over to ChatGPT where I have a prompt, and then I will copy. I will go back to Hedra and I will paste the prompt right here, and then I will click on this arrow here, and it will cost me 4 credit to generate this image. So I will click enter. So you give it some time in order to generate this image. It's going to take around 1 or 2 minutes for it to be generated, but trust me, you are going to love the result. So you can go and do other things and then come back later and your image will be generated. And just like that, the image is generated. So let us wait and see. Okay, so as you can see, this image is very amazing. Well, the bad side of it is that I told the AI to write boss lady in front, so the image, the boss lady was written on the body of the image. But since I'm just making a tutorial, I'm not going to generate another image. I will go ahead and use this particular image like that. So once I want to download it, I will come over here and click on download. So I believe this image has been downloaded successfully. So I will now go back to this video and then animate that same video we generated. So right here you will paste in your prompt. So I will paste in that same prompt that I generated from ChatGPT, and then here you will have to select your start frame, that is the image reference you want. So I will click here and then I'll upload the image that I generated. So this is the image right here. Then I'll click on open. So the image is ready. So the next thing we are going to do is we add a script or a voiceover. So you click on this plus icon right here, and then you have 3 options. It's either you will upload an already generated speech audio, or you record on the go, or you will generate speech from a text. So I'll click on generate speech and then I'll paste in a speech here. So it's either you create your own voice or you can choose a voice from here. So you have so many voices here and you can search for a voice you are looking for. So I will search for this particular voice here, Adam, and look at Adam here. So you can play and hear if you like it or not.
Our distrust is very expensive.
So once I'm comfortable with it, I will select it, and then let me go back to ChatGPT and copy that speech, and then I'll go back to Hedra. I'll paste in my prompt. Okay, so I am just limited to 200 characters. All right, so I will leave it here and then I will click on add audio. Then so once I'm done, I'll just click on this particular arrow here and I will
Hedra's character 3 is here.
High quality.
AI powered.
I will wait for the video to be generated. So let me click, and then forget about this one. Just click on this continue. So you give it some time to do its magic. You can go and do something else and then come back later, and your video must have been ready at that time. So if you like what I'm doing, kindly encourage me by subscribing to my channel, liking this video so that it can reach more people. Very good. So our video has been generated. So let us play it and see.
Good morning, team. I just want to say this. Success doesn't come from
Okay, so I made a mistake. This video was to be generated,
sitting back
or
and
was
waiting
the
for things
voiceover
to
was supposed to
happen.
be, but I put in the voiceover of a man instead. So it's an honest mistake from me.
It comes from showing up,
But
speaking up, and never settling for less than excellence.
okay, so I made an honest mistake. This is a woman, but the voiceover is that of a man. All right, so this is a mistake from me. So, but I hope you wouldn't mind. So this is just how you can be able to animate or generate text or video from this particular AI called Hedra AI. Now, kindly subscribe to this channel if you've not done so, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified immediately I'm dropping a new video.